大家好，今天呢非常欢迎大家呢参加我们华府这个华人健康服务中心和这个蒙郡的这个 AAHI Asia American Health Initiative 这个组织这次活动的 workshop。那么我们首先呢，我先介绍一下我是张树林，也是这个华府这个华人社区健康服务中心的一个志愿者。那么呢，我先介绍一下我们这个中心。我们这中心呢成立了将近10年。目前的主要的服务的任务呢，主要是每年在蒙郡还有这个 Howard County 还有维州的 Fairfax 每年呢举行给没有保险的或者低收入无保险的呢免费的健康体检。同时呢，我们也提供不定期的健康和公共资源的一个健康的讲座，线上或者是这个在实地场所。那么从去年2月份呢 ，COVID-19 发生了以后呢，我们现在主要的做这个 COVID-19 方面的这个健康的咨询和服务。如果各位有需要做这个健康或者是 COVID-19 的疫苗的情况，也可以跟我们联系。我们都有热线，大家可能在一些公共的这个平台上都看到我们的消息。Tonight, we are happy to have Miss Sophie Yun. She's come from AAHI, is the Asia American Health Initiative. It's part of Montgomery County Department of Human Service and Health. So, and she's a coordinator for this AAHI, and we are happy with her today. And before I gave to Sophia to talk about the resources in Montgomery County, I have 3 announcements to give everyone. 那么我就在这个今天的流程呢，我们主要请这个 Sophia 给我们大家讲，蒙郡的这个健康和公共资源的这个，大家可能有些不太清楚，我们在广告已经说了，可以说有很多方面的这个公共资源大家可以享受的公共资源。同时呢，在这个之前呢，我想有3个。第一个呢，大家如果有任何问题，希望把你的 question 呢写到这个 chat box 上。我们呢会有，如果写中文、英文都可以。如果写中文呢，我们也会负责翻译成英文。第二个呢，就是说在这次讲座结束以后呢，我们有一个简单的 survey， 就是有一个 poll， 大家可能花少于1分钟的时间就可以完成。然后呢，如果大家还有什么问题呢，可以 email 给我们，或者直接可以给 Sophia 去发 email， 他会把他的 email 地址留给大家。Okay, right now I'm happy have the Sophia. I gave the microphone to you, and you can start your presentation. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. So I'm gonna share my screen to show the PowerPoint presentation. So hold on, please. Can you guys see it?
Yes.
Okay.
We can see.
All right. So okay. Let me see. Yeah, nice to meet you all. My name is Sophia Yun. I am a resource coordinator with Asian American Health Initiative program. And today I would like to share some of the resources about Asian American Health Initiative, our program, and also some of the county resources I want to introduce to you so you guys can have access later on. Before I start, I just want to show you the Department of Health and Human Services chart. the reason I'm showing this because many people, think that we are a nonprofit agency, but we are actually part of the Department of Health and Human Service under the Community Affairs Department. And there are several different programs under the Community Affairs program. We have actually the Montgomery County, we have 3 different initiatives. So one is our program, Asian American Health Initiative, and we have the African American Health Program, and we do have the Latino Health Initiative. So as you see, the Asian American are one of the major racial and ethnic subgroups in Montgomery County. So since 1990, the Asian American population in the county has grown from 8.1 to 14.7. When you look at the top 10 countries of origin for foreign-born individuals in Montgomery County, we see that 5 out of 10, that is like half, are from Asian countries. Also, around 50 of the state of Maryland Asian American population resident in Montgomery County. So as mentioned, in Montgomery County, Asian Americans numbers are, so, grow, and we have so many Asian Americans. So that is the reason the Asian American Health Initiative, we are here to serve the community. So this is our mission to serve the community. AAHI mission is to improve the health and wellness of Asian American community in Montgomery County by applying equity, community engagement, and data-driven approaches. So how we can serve the community? We do have some programs to serve the community. We have health education and community outreach. We conduct the outreach regularly to nonprofit agency, faith-based organization to introduce about health program and share the county resources. We also provide educational workshop like today's workshop to the community to share the county resources. We also have the Empowering Community Health Organization project we call ECHO project. This is a technical assistance and training workshop aimed to build the capacity of community organization, and we provide this workshop every year. And we actually this year we had one ECHO workshop in August, and we share about the grant writing information. We also have the Patient Navigator program. This is multilingual health information phone line. So when you call the number, the trained medical interpreter who provide interpretation services and assist with navigation of healthcare. So the PNP, the Patient Navigator program, the Chinese, Hindi, Korean, and Vietnamese, interpreters are available, and whenever you need any kind of assistance, you can call and then speak to the medical interpreter directly. We also have a mental health program, provide mental health resources. We also have mental health phone number. I'm going to explain more later on. And we also created some of the COVID-19 related videos in various Asian languages. And we also have a senior program. One of the program is called French Corner. This is the program for the senior. We educate the senior and do some discussion about health, wellness, and lifestyle. Usually this program is 4 to 8 sessions, and we provide the services at the senior center and community-based organization around the country, around the county as well. So I'm gonna explain a little bit more about some of the resources. The first resource I want to share with you is that the AAHI COVID-19 resource guide. We actually had developed this resource guide to support county residents in identifying resources to address various needs caused by the COVID-19 crisis. And as you see, we cover the 9 different resources on the resource guide regarding COVID-19 testing, COVID-19 vaccine, healthcare coverage, food access, and housing information, especially rental assistance program, employment and financial assistance, mental health, senior caregiver, and other multilingual resources. So you can find this resource guide on our website, and you can visit our website anytime to have that resource guide. And this is kind of example of the resource guide. As you can see, we divide the resources by the title, description, website, and contact information, so you can have access as well. Another resource brochure we have, this is our general resource brochure. So basically, we gather all the information regarding health and social service program for the Montgomery County residents. And these resource brochures are available in 16 Asian languages, including English as well. You can also request this brochure. We can send it to you, or you can always visit our website and look for the resources as well. Of course, we have the Chinese brochure as well. So this is kind of example to show you what we have on the resource brochure. And then one of the program I just want to highlight today is the Montgomery Cares Clinic. You can also find this on our resource brochure. This Montgomery Cares Clinic is the provide medical care to uninsured, limited income Montgomery County residents. So if you are looking for a primary doctor, but you don't have insurance and you have a limited income, you can get the service through the Montgomery County Clinic program. Another resource, I mentioned it earlier, we created the COVID-19 and mental health video series. So you can find this video also on our website or our YouTube channel. And we have different topics of the mental health video. So managing your stress, guide to self-care, coping with grief and loss, maintaining social connection, dimension of wellness, guided for older adults, reducing stigma, building resiliency, staying active, and impact on domestic violence. And we have these videos available. Those are like 3 to 5 minute videos, and you can find this video in different languages as well. And we have Chinese also available. And this is our mental health resource. This is called photo novel. We actually create these 6 different photo novels so far. Since 2015, the first photo novel was created, and this photo novel introduced about mental health. And then after that, we create another photo novel, provide information on types of mental health and how to reduce the early termination. And then the 2017 and 2018, these 2 photo novels are focused on adolescents. So if you are looking for any kind of mental health resources for teenagers, you can also get some information. And then the last two Foro Novo focus more on seniors. So 2019, we create the Foro Novo regarding the impact of loneliness and social isolation in older adults. And then the last Foro Novo, we create the story about the mental health regarding the caregiver stress. So those are the mental health Foro Novo are available. You can download from the website, our website. You can also visit the website and look at the Foro Novo, or you can also request the physical copy. We can also mail it to you as well. Another information I want to share is that when you visit the Montgomery County website, there is information regarding COVID-19 information portal. So this website is basically gather all the information relate to COVID. So you can find COVID-19 vaccine information, the testing information, or any kind of food assistance and resources. If we are looking for any place for the distribution of food, or if you have to apply the SNAP, the food stamp benefit, you can get all that information through the Montgomery County COVID-19 information forum, and then I put the website as well. And another resource is that the COVID-19 rent relief program. So this is a short-term rental assistance to eligible households who have experienced lost income due to the COVID-19 pandemic. So if your income, has been reduced because of the COVID, and you cannot, make the rent, and you need assistance, you can apply the rent relief program through the county. And this one you have to apply online. So you have to visit the county website and apply the program. And any question, you can always call MC 311. If you are in the county, Montgomery County, you can just dial 311. If you are outside of the Montgomery County, you can dial the whole number 240-777-0311. So when you see the chart, this program also check your income eligibility as well. So like, for example, you are family 2, and your maximum monthly gross income is under the 4,300, then you are eligible to apply the program and then get some assistance to pay the rent. Another program is Aging and Disability Resource Unit. We called ADRU. This is basically the telephone service. You can call this number anytime, and you can either talk to someone, or if you cannot talk to someone right away, you can leave voicemail, and then somebody will get back to you. So this ADRU phone line, you can call and you can ask any kind of question relate to senior or people with disability. So for example, if you are looking for a senior center or senior housing, or any benefits are available for senior, if you want to know any information related to senior, you can call this number and they can assist you. And usually when you get this service, you have to prove that you are Montgomery County residents, and also the age, because either you have to prove you are senior or disability to get the services. Another program I want to introduce is senior transportation. There are several transportation options for senior and people with disability. So the Connect a Ride program, this is like, phone service you can call, and then you can ask any kind of transportation option for senior or people with disability. And then if you need like language assistant, you can always request the interpretation services as well. And I also put the QR code. This is the QR code when you want to see the information in Chinese. You can use this QR code to see the information in Chinese. So I just put that information there for your reference. And another the transportation option is rider-on and Metrobus. So if you are over 65, you can have the free or discounted rate to use the rider-on or Metrobus. So Monday through Saturday from 9:30 to 3 p.m. you can use ride-on or Metrobus for free, and all other time you can just pay the help fare price to use the services. So if you don't have the senior smart trip card, you can always use your Medicare card with photo ID, because Medicare usually people with 65 are eligible to get the Medicare. So you can, if you don't have the senior smart card, you can just show
I'm in a meeting, so I will try to.
You can always show the Medicare card with the photo ID to prove to use the services. Another transportation option for the senior is Korean Ride. This is kind of taxi services for the senior or individual with disability. So if you need any kind of transportation trip, like to make the medical or any personal appointment inside of the Montgomery County, you can use this service. In order to receive this service, you have to apply first, and you can download the application online, and then you have to mail out the application to the office in order to receive the service. Another service you can also check is that the free taxi ride to COVID vaccination and testing site. So if you want to, either want to get the vaccine or you want to do the COVID-19 testing, but you don't have a ride to go to, you can also get the service through the county. If you are senior, or if you are, if you are with disability, you can always request the service through the county. So in order to request the service, the trip to the vaccination center or the testing site, you have to call the Connect a Ride first. The 301-738-3252 number. You call there, and then you provide your name, address, phone number, and age to prove you are senior. After that, the Connect a Ride, they will give you the free COVID taxi code. After you receive the free COVID taxi code, then you can call the taxi cab companies. There are 3 available taxi cab companies: the Action Taxi, Anytime Taxi, and then the Borrowed Taxi. You can pick one of the taxi company, and then you call and then make the arrangement for the either vaccination or testing site trip. And then after that, you just provide the free COVID taxi code, then you can use their service for free. Another information I want to also share is that regarding the behavioral health and crisis services. So these services provide phone and in-person screening, assessment, and referral for mental health and substance abuse problems. So if you are looking for any kind of mental health, resources or screening, you can contact the, behavior and health program to get the services. So in order to get the service, you have to be Montgomery County residents. And also either you have to have no insurance or have insurance, either Medicare or Medicaid, to receive the services. Another service you can also find through the county is the dental program. This is the basic dental program you can receive through the county if you have no dental insurance or your family income no greater than 250% of federal poverty guideline. So this program is for all ages, but if you are pregnant, you have to go through the maternity partnership program first before you get the service dental program. If your children need any kind of dental program through the county, you also have to go through the Care for Kids program first to get the services. And those are not free service. There are certain fees. For children, you have to pay $10 for visit, pregnant woman $10 for visit, and then adult and senior $20 for the regular visit and $30 for the emergency visit to get the service. So in order to get the dental program, I just want to explain a little bit more. You cannot just make the appointment. You have to go through some kind of eligibility process first before you make appointment with dental program. So there are 3 different offices in the county. We call the Office of Eligibility and Support Services. One in Silver Spring, Rockville, and Germantown. If you are looking for dental program, you have to contact one of these office based on your address, and then complete the paperwork first. They will review your paperwork, and then if you are eligible to receive the dental program, they will send you the certification letter. So when you get the certification letter, it's time for you to make appointment. So go to the OESS office first, complete the paperwork. After like months, you will get the certification letter. And then when you get the letter, it's time for you to set up the appointment. So there are 4 different locations you can call and set up the appointment for the dental service. And then, on the dental visit date, you have to bring your photo ID and then the certification letter you receive through the OESS office to prove you are eligible to receive the service. And then if it's your first time to visit the office, arrive a little bit early because there are another form to complete all the time. And then remember to pay a certain fee for the service as well. And then MC311, I mentioned MC311 in earlier. I just want to introduce a little bit more. So this is a phone line for non-emergency government information and service. You can call this number to talk to the the navigator anytime, Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. If you are inside of the Montgomery County, you can only dial 311. You will be connected. If you are outside of the county, you can dial the whole number 240-777-0311 to get the services. So when you call, you will talk to someone directly. And as I mentioned, you can always request language interpretation service if you need it. So like MC311, you can call and ask any kind of a question regarding like ride on bus information, recycle and trash pickup information, like road repair. If you are looking for any kind of health and human service information, you can also call. If you are looking for any information about park trash pickup, you can also call and request. So either you can call or you can also visit the website. You can also complete the request form through the website, and then they will respond to you as well. So you can either call and speak to someone directly, or you can complete the request through the website to request the services as well. And the last information I want to share is that the Women's Cancer Control Program. So this program provides free mammogram, clinical breast exam, and pelvic exam PEP test to low-income, uninsured women aged between 40 to 64 years old. So if you are between those age, and if you have no insurance, but you want to, check some of the, exam, you can also, apply this program and get some services as well. So usually it will take like more than 2 weeks, like around 2 weeks to review all the documentation.
Yeah,
And
excellent.
after you are eligible to get service, they will schedule the appointment to do the exam. And if you need like further tests, or they need to refer you to other place to do other exam, they will also help you to do the referral and case management as well. So you can also call any question, and if you are looking for this service, you can submit the service request through the Montgomery County website in order to get the services. So I just basically, here to introduce about, some of the county resources, and I just want to let you know that we also provide service connection, services to the, community. So basically, all the resources I explained to you today, and if you are looking for certain information, or you don't know how to, start, or how to, looking for the information, you can always contact us. You can contact me. I am a resource coordinator, and I will talk to you and then looking for the available resources for you to connect you to the services. So just, let you guys know. Yeah, so this is pretty much, I cover all the information. And if you have any question, I can answer.
Thank you, Sophia. So it's a great talk, and I think we finished a little bit early. Maybe you can backward to your slide. I can summary the main point and in Chinese.
Okay,
so,
sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
the woman cancer screening. You can just backward or from beginning. It's up to you. Yeah.
Okay. I mean, do you want me to start from the beginning to?
Yeah, that's okay. Yeah.
Go over? Okay. Let me see if I can do it right now because my mouse is not working. Okay.
Yeah. 非常这个高兴这么多对这个蒙郡的这个公共健康这个资源的这个感兴趣。那么因为呢大家是我们这个 program 是9点半结束，大家还有点时间。那么我呢 the first slide 我给大家呢就是中文大概给做一些这个总结吧。这个刚才 Sophia 莹她是这个负责这个亚洲这个亚裔的健康促进部，也属于蒙郡的这个卫生局的这个项目。可能大家看到我们宣传，一共亚裔这个蒙郡的健康这个就是卫生局有1700多个雇员，所以是可能最大的一个 department in Montgomery County。所以它资源很多我们可能生活在蒙郡的很多年了，但是也不见得。那么第一个项目呢，就是说现在目前的是这个 COVID-19 打疫苗或者检测。那么蒙郡呢是提供这个就是这个免费的可以打这个 tax 可以去。那么申请的过程呢，就是从这个 schedule 可以打一个电话301-738-3252，然后呢搞的一个 code， 然后你就可以跟下面3个出租车公司联系，他们就可以给你接送，然后你拿到他们票呢，就是可以这是免费的，就是说可以送你到这个 COVID-19 这个检测或者是这个疫苗接种。那下一个 next slide Sophia。还有呢，就是行为和这个危机的这个处理。其实蒙郡有很多的，它这个大家都知道，这个卫生局不光是的这个卫生健康，也包括社会安全和精神健康方面的服务社会方面的服务。所以呢，只要你是蒙郡的这个居民都可以享受这方面的这个服务。还有一个next one，这个呢就是一些牙科的这个服务。那么牙科呢，刚才他也讲到，只要你的家庭收入是低于这个联邦这个贫困线的200%，就2.5倍以下，你都可以享受这个福利。那么儿童呢，每去一次是10块钱，这个怀孕的妇女呢就是10块钱，如果是成人或者 senior 是20块钱，如果是紧急服务呢是30块钱。那么它有一个申请的一个过程。Next， lost。这个可能大家还知道，就是说还有一个提到这个311这个电话很有用。如果蒙郡的居民呢，你可以直接拨打311呢，任何方面它同时有中文的这个翻译，你可以有任何，因为这个 resource 特别多，可能你都不太清楚，也不可能全记住，你可以打311，就有相关的人员可以中文方面的服务可以提供你任何你所需要的问题那么这个牙科的这个申请呢，第一个是需要有3个部门，一个在Silver Spring， 一个在 Rockville， 一个在 Germantown。Next， 然后呢，这个它上面都有电话，你可以分别和这3个这个诊所去联系。这个呢，就说带你的这个ID， 就是有照片的 ID， 然后有填写你的这个医学这个背景，然后呢 ，senior 是20块钱，或者这个紧急是30块钱就可以得到这个服务。Next， 那么刚才我提到的这个311这个电话非常有用，就是说大家看到这个 Sophia 利用30分钟介绍这么多项目，可能大家肯定记不住。第一个呢，可以进到 Montgomery County 的这个 website。第二个呢，如果你需要人工服务呢，就打这个240-777-0311，或者在蒙郡境内的，你可以直接打311，就可以询问这些方面的那个服务项目。Next， 最后他提到了一个，就是说关于妇女的这个癌症方面的这个服务计划。那么这个呢，你就是没有就无收入或者低收入没有保险的， 年龄在40到60岁、64岁的都可以打这个电话去做这方面服务。那么一般都做，比如说乳腺这个 mammograph， 还有做这 pap smear 啊，还有做这个宫颈啊，或者这个下腔部的都可以做检测。OK， 哎，我现在就大概给 Sophia，I just summary all your in Chinese.